The Hatteker Beard Trimmer 8-in-1 is a comprehensive grooming kit that includes a T-blade trimmer, hair trimmer, precision trimmer, detailed trimmer, micro razor, nose and ear trimmer, and a body groomer, making it suitable for both beginners and professionals. With an adjustable speed feature, this trimmer's motor can reach up to 7,000 revolutions per minute, ensuring efficient and smooth trimming even for thicker hair. The smart LED display and USB-C charging capability provide a modern touch, allowing users to easily monitor battery life and charge the device conveniently. Offering precise length control with 11 guard combs and a precision dial, this trimmer enables users to achieve the desired style effortlessly. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling and reduces wrist fatigue, making it ideal for both home use and travel, thanks to its compact size and lock function. The entire trimmer is washable with an IPX6 waterproof rating, allowing for easy maintenance and ensuring durability over time.